Hello children, welcome to the class. Today we shall understand transformation of sentences assertive to exclamatory. In our previous class, we studied transformation of sentences from assertive to negative, assertive to interrogative. Today we shall continue transformation assertive to exclamatory. These are sentences: you are very slow, she is very beautiful, it was a marvelous sight, and this is a very motivating story. These are assertive sentences. How do we write? We write you are very slow. First I will just make exclamatory sentences before you. Then I will make you understand the differences between the structure and how to form that structure. You are very slow. We write how slow you are and exclamatory sign. Then we say she is very beautiful. We say exclamatory how beautiful she is. In this side, it was a marvelous sight, so it's exclamatory. We write what a marvelous sight it was. And this is a very motivating story. What a motivating story this is. These are the exclamatory conversion of these assertive sentences written on the board before you. You see that here in this part we have changed these exclamatory sentences into these assertive sentences into exclamatory. Here we have written this word how, and at this side we changed assertive to exclamatory, and we have written this word what. Why this difference is created here? Why this change has been created here? To understand this change, first of all we have to understand the difference between the structure of these assertive sentences. पहले हम समझेंगे कि assertive sentence किस तरह से डिफरेंट हैं. क्या ये सेम स्ट्रक्चर के हैं या ये डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर के हैं. तो देखते हैं यहां पर you are very slow. Dear children, look at this sentence. You are very slow. Pronoun, it is called subject, auxiliary verb यानी helping verb, and adjective. Okay, subject, helping verb and adjective. Okay, at this side subject, helping verb, adjective and noun. Okay, here subject, helping verb, adjective and noun. You can see clearly that in these sentences we have only subject, helping verb and adjective. Subject, helping verb and adjective. Here in these sentences we have subject, helping verb, adjective and a noun also. Subject, helping verb, adjective and a noun also. One more thing to understand. In this sentence, you are very slow. You is pronoun, it is subject, and very slow is adjective. Tell me one thing. This adjective describes which noun pronoun? This adjective very slow. Who is very slow? Who is very slow? You are very slow. This adjective describes this subject. This adjective is used to describe the subject itself. Here also, she is very beautiful. Who is very beautiful? She. This adjective is used to describe this subject. Understood? Means in these sentences, the adjective which is given in the sentence is describing the subject itself. But in these sentences, this is subject, it was marvelous sight. What is marvelous? What is marvelous? Sight. What is marvelous? Not it. Sight. This adjective describes this noun. This adjective describes this noun, not the subject. Here also, this is a very motivating story. What is a motivating? What is motivating? What is very motivating? The story. So this adjective describes this noun, not subject. So in these sentences, when adjective is describing the subject itself, we make exclamatory sentence with how. And in sentences where adjective describes a given noun, not subject, then we make exclamatory with what. Okay? I hope you have understood. If not, then pay more attention on this. Now I am writing the rule. If you have a sentence in which adjective is describing the subject, you will make its exclamatory like this. First write how plus adjective plus this subject plus the helping verb and exclamatory sign. How plus used adjective plus subject plus helping verb and exclamatory sign. It becomes exclamatory sentence with a word how. Understood beta? Why? Because adjective is modifying the subject itself. So we make the exclamatory with how word, with the word how. Okay? Here the adjective describes the noun, so we make the exclamatory with what. Then we write article a or an according to next word. If it is vowel sound, you will write an. If it is consonant sound, you will write a. Then adjective, this adjective, then the noun which is being described by the adjective, write it here, plus the subject which is already given, and the helping verb and exclamatory sign. So I hope you have understood. It's very easy. Let's change exclamatory sentences into assertive. Exclamatory to assertive. Let's write one exclamatory sentence. How brave you are. Okay. Number 2. What a pleasant surprise this is. Let's change it. How to change? In assertive sentence, our sentence always starts with subject. So first we write the rule. It always starts with subject. Then it takes helping verb. Okay. Then it takes very. It is optional. If it is needed, then you write. If not needed, then don't write. Then write here adjective and noun if present. If noun present in your sentence, then write. If not present, then don't write. Let's do this one. This is, you are seeing that it is made of how, it is made of what. Previously I just explained, when we start our sentence with how, it means there is only subject, helping verb and adjective. And if our sentence starts with what, then we have a subject, helping verb, adjective and a noun also. Let's make this subject you, helping verb are. We have to make the assertive sentence from exclamatory on the basis of this rule. Subject, helping verb, then very. If you want to write, then you can write you are very. Then adjective brave. And I just said noun if present. Here no noun is present, so sentence is completed. You are very brave. And I just told you that if there is no noun and adjective is describing the subject itself, then we write it with how. Next, change it also. Subject this. All right. After that, helping verb is written there. Then you can write very. Very. After that, you just have to write adjective, pleasant, or you also can write very. So very is written. This is very pleasant. Now if noun is present, then you can write here surprise. Surprise a kind of noun, so write it. Full stop. This is very pleasant surprise. And just previously I told you that when adjective has some noun to identify, when adjective has some noun to describe, then we make exclamatory with what. So it is vice versa. We just we just converted assertive to exclamatory, and now we have converted exclamatory to assertive, and this is the rule. So I hope it is very clear to you now. Just note these rules in your fair copy, every student, okay? And if you have any kind of doubt, just ask me freely, okay? Till then, keep studying and keep enhancing your knowledge. Thank you.